I'm Nick.
I'm Stefan.
I'm Angus.
I'm Dan.
And together,
we are Team Tacyhon.
We competed at the Queensland State Finals, where we placed second overall and won Best Portfolio, the Innovation Award, and got the second fastest car.
At Nationals, which will likely be in early March of next year, we are determined to be better, be smarter, and to go faster.
Currently, we're in the thick of our Nationals preparation, so we thought we'd do a quick video about our roles and responsibilities as part of Team Tacyhon.
As the graphic designer, what I do is I document everything we go through as a team to make Team Tacyhon possible. I document these in large A3 portfolios, and what I do is I discuss with the team what to include in these folios that both follow scorecards and what we believe as a team. The team's processes are split between 3 documents: the enterprise folio, the engineering folio, and the compliance booklet. All of these documents talk about different aspects of what we do as Team Tacyhon. Now, in order to keep this information effective to read and to judge, what we do is we want to put a big emphasis on conveying what we mean through visuals, not just text. We in Team Tacyhon value having a variety of means to communicate what we are.
As design engineer, I'm responsible for the design of the car. It all starts right here in Autodesk Inventor. I begin with a regular block and cut away from it to design a sleek, aerodynamic and regulation compliant car. I then turn this into a stunning render and a fully dimensioned CAD drawing.
Thank you. As marketing manager, I deal with all external companies. This includes our collaboration partners who help us improve our design and other aspects of our team. I also manage communication with sponsors to ensure we have the funds to succeed.
As manufacturing engineer, I transform mixed design into a real object. It starts with a bolt block like this, which gets cut using this CNC router. Then I sand it and apply spray putty and multiple coats of paint before assembling it to something like this.